Then Asian business, that's Asian business. The United Nations have no right to put them out into the Asian business or to find or they have a solution. Let the Asian find their own solution for their own problem. Haitian business international. Nasyon Zini pa gen ken bouche pi fwe dan sa. Anyone they send in Haiti to fight the Asian population should be killed them. Quel que soit groupe Kenya ou bien quel que soit groupe yo vo Haïti, peuple haïtien supposé écraser. Parce que ça haïtien kap gouman contre haïtien qui te haïtien résoudre problème yo. Okay? You see, Ariel Henry is gonna be dead, just like Muammar Gaddafi. You know, Muammar Gaddafi was great for power until he died. Ariel Henry is the same way. Ariel Henry a mouru même gens comme Muammar Gaddafi. Depuis il t'a mis pied l'Haïti, il supposé éliminer le même gens parce qu'il c'est plus worse pour ministère in Haitian history. Ariel Henry c'est plus mauvais criminel, terroriste pour ministère dans l'histoire haïtienne. Okay? He's just like a robot. Never do anything right. He's only greed, he steal and be a puppet to a gang. Ariel Henry is the first gang. If you want to kill the gang, you have to go after Ariel Henry first. Sou besoin tirer moun ki gen gang, c'est Ariel Henry pour yo pour en premier. Parce que Ariel Henry c'est lui qui premier gang. Second gang, Sweet Mickey, Michel Martelly. Deuxième gang pour yo prendre, c'est Mickey et Martelly. Third gang, André Michel et Pierre Espérance. Troisième gang, c'est Pierre Espérance, Michel Martelly. Ok? André Michel. Tous ces groupes gang yo ye. If you want to kill the gang, you have to go to the head of the gang. Richemont c'est gang. John Cato. Tout next sa yo supposé point yo parce que c'est yo qui la gang. Dimitri Era et Dimitri Vov. Tous ces groupes gang yo ye. Tout next sa yo ça supposé point yo en avant. If the justice in Haiti not a corruption, they should take those people, okay? Si justice haïtien pas te corrompu, next time ta supposé maran bakod éliminer yo. And after the judgment, they should eliminate the Colombian. You te supposé éliminer Colombian yo because you can't come from all the way to Colombia to go to Haiti to commit crime, to kill the president. Ou pas qu'à sortir shoot Colombie pour venir tuer président. They pay you, take the money, do not commit the crime. You pay you, ou prend l'argent, ou pas faire un crime. You take the money, you commit the crime. They should execute you. Ou prend l'argent pour faire crime là, you supposé exécuter you. You stupid. You commit the crime for money. You are the worst evil satanic. Ou ap tiye moun pour l'argent, ou son Satan criminel. They should kill you too. You supposed to you too. Jesus say, you kill people by the sword, they should kill you by the sword. Ou tiye moun pa épée, you supposed to you pa épée. Only the fake Christian don't want to tell the truth. Is that the truth? You killing people by the gun, they should kill you by the gun. Ou tiye moun pa zam, you supposed to tiye pa zam. Ou pete si moun, they should pete you too. Okay? You break the hands of the people, they should break the hands of you too. Ou pete si moun, you supposed to pete you too. Make you feel the pain too. Because before you commit anything, you should think twice. If somebody this to me, would I be happy? Then you don't commit it. Someone fem sa eski map kontan. Puisque map kontan son moun fò ou pas faire. Just what you don't want other people to do to you, do not do it to others. So pas besoin l'autre moun fè ou pas faire moun li. Ou supposé réfléchir des fois. Non, bon font action. Like the government in Haiti, total co-op. They are thief. They nasty shit hole. They have no great taste to do the right thing. Gouvernement en Haïti, yo corrompu, yo salope, se cochon, yo se volé, yo ye. Yo voyage dans pays étranger, yo voyage dans l'autre gouvernement, yo dirige, yo fait payer yo belle. Mais cochon ça, yo pon plein sale, pour yo rete sale, pour yo fait payer à sale, parce que son paquet cochon volé, yo ye. Yo pas souci des pays vrai, yo plus nan volo. Et puis yo gon seule stratégie, yo mendiant. Haiti need help, Haiti need help, Haiti doesn't freaking need help with money. Haïtien pas besoin qu'un aide avec l'argent, c'est pas qu'un volo mendiant yo. They greed, they beggar. Haiti rich with natural resources. It's only the leader that co-op, they don't have a great taste to do the right thing. Haïti, son pays qui riche, c'est leader qui pas bon, qui corrompu, qui volé, assassin. Ils tournent mendiant, ils pas honte. Ils tout ap mandé, c'est celle ça yo quoi, une seule stratégie, mendiant. Mais après ça pour développer pays, yo pas développer. Pour voler, pour toujours rester ap mandé. It need help money, it need money, it don't need help with money. It is the country that rich with money, it is the country that rich with natural resources. Haïti pas besoin qu'une aide pour l'argent international. Haïti gagne l'argent. Haïti son pays qui riche avec naturel ressources. Volo c'est tellement yo volo yo pas vle dépenser ça yo gagner pour yo capable agrandir yo mettre touristes dans pays capable entrer pour pays faire comme pour mettre sécurité yo plutôt voler yo gon seule stratégie mendiant yo pas honte yo pas aucun la bonne qualité des soucis yo tourner mendiant voler yo they time to begging. It's something with church in Haiti. You don't see the church in Haiti? The pastor, the beggar, mendiant. They have money to build the church. They know they have only one strategy. They keep begging. They know if they build the church, they can say the church have problem anymore. The problem will solve. They don't want to solve it. They keep it that way to ripping dumb people off, They begging, the church need this, the church need this, the church need that, the church need money. They have only one strategy. They don't have no other. They keep that strategy from generation to generation. They are the dumb asshole. They can have other strategy. They don't know how to think straight. They're not the mastermind. Ayisien, en Haïti, yon pa ket dame yo ye, yon pa ket sot yo ye, yon pa gen ken l'autre stratégie, yon seule stratégie yo gen, c'est mander, kembe toujours même vieux système ancien. Yo pa kon gens pour yo penser pour yo capable développer pays a. Et puis yo salope, yo pa gen aucun la bonne qualité, la bonne de sentiment. Tout leader dans l'autre pays vient avec stratégie mais comment pour développer un pays puis yo développer. Tout leader l'autre politicien mette tête ensemble yo rene à l'étranger yo fait payer yo belle mais cochon ça yo même c'est craser pays a voler pays a. Ça ba yo fait craser pays a voler l'argent pays a. Okay? Any international force that go to Haiti, the population of Haiti should kill them. Qui n'est pas force internationale qui entre en Haïti, peuple haïtien supposé éliminer yo. Okay? It's the Haitian politician that need to be dead. It's the system that need to be destroyed because the system is the problem. Haiti is not the problem. The population is not the problem. It's the government, total co-op. They need to be destroyed and rebel. C'est gouvernement ancien système là qui faut se craser et rebâtir. It's the police national total co-op. It need to be destroyed and rebel. C'est police internationale là qui corrompu, li supposé craser, rebâtir. It's the justice in Haiti total co-op and bias. It need to be destroyed and rebel. c'est justice en Haïti qui corrompu, yo acheté avec ti grain l'argent, fait yo garer, yo supposé craser pour rebâtir. Is the HT political need to be destroyed and rebel. C'est Haitian politique qui peut écraser rebâtir. They only should have only two group of political. You suppose again des seuls group politique. Too many group political in Haiti. They need to be destroyed. Too much trop group politique en Haïti. You suppose écraser parce que son paquet volé yo pas gagner essayer à régler. Most countries in the world have only two political. In Haiti, they have a bunch of all the thief. None of them worthy to be trust. Haiti, gen un paquet freaking group politique, pas gen yo même qui mérite pour capable faire confiance. They are a bunch of thief, they are a bunch of criminals. They come to steal only. They don't have a great taste to do it, I think. They need to be destroyed. Groupe en Haïti supposé écraser parce que son pas qu'elle vole, il y a trop politique. Il supposé qu'il y a des politiques only. Des groupes politiques supposé qu'il mais qu'on pas qu'elle vole. They don't have a greatest to do the right thing for the nation. Yo pas aucun bon qualité bon sentiment pour capable faire un bagage pour peuple là. And the Asian population need to be raised up. They need to stop being the dummy in compassion.